What if every day you receive the most relevant women-focused job opportunities, filtered, verified, and delivered automatically? Hello, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll show you a fully automated job discovery system that scans multiple sources for returnships, diversity hiring, and remote roles, filters them using AI, and delivers the most relevant opportunities directly to Telegram every morning. Step 1. Daily 9 a.m. schedule trigger. This trigger runs the workflow automatically every day at 9 a.m. It removes the need for manual execution and ensures job discovery happens on a fixed schedule. Step 2. Fetch women returnship job listings. This HTTP request searches Google Jobs through SerpAPI for women returnship jobs in India. Step 3. Fetch diversity hiring job listings. This HTTP request searches Google Jobs for diversity hiring jobs in India. Step 4. Fetch remote jobs for women. This HTTP request searches Google Jobs for remote jobs for women in India. Step 5. Fetch female hiring initiative roles. This HTTP request searches Google Jobs for female hiring initiatives in India. Step 6. Merge all search results. This merge node combines the outputs from all 4 SerpAPI job searches. Step 7. Extract individual job items. This code node loops through all merged API responses and extracts usable job records. Step 8. Filter jobs using relevance keywords. This if node checks each job description against keywords such as women, diversity, returnship, female, and remote. Step 9. Rank jobs by recency and keep top 3. This JavaScript node parses posted time values like 2 days ago or 5 hours ago. Step 10. Connect OpenAI chat model. This node provides the language model used by the AI agent. It uses GPT-4o Mini as the reasoning engine behind job relevance checking and message formatting. Step 11. Evaluate and format jobs with AI agent. This AI agent checks whether each shortlisted job is truly relevant for women hiring, diversity hiring, returnships, female-focused roles, or remote or flexible work. Step 12. Build final Telegram summary message. This code node combines all AI-formatted job outputs into one Telegram-ready message. Step 13. Send women job opportunities to Telegram. This Telegram node sends the final compiled message to the configured chat ID. This is how automation can turn fragmented job searches into a consistent opportunity pipeline. If you value intelligent, real-world systems, subscribe. I'll see you in the next build.